Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're taking on a grammar quiz challenge all about simple versus complex sentences. Think you know the difference? Let's jump right in and find out. 1. Choose the complex sentence. Although he tried, he couldn't win. Tips: complex sentences often use although or because. 2. Which sentence has one independent clause? The sun sets in the west. Tips: simple sentences have one subject and verb. 3. Identify the complex sentence from below. After she finished her homework, she went to bed. Tips: complex sentences may start with dependent clauses. 4. Select the sentence that is simple. The birds sang beautifully. Tips: simple sentences express one idea. 5. Which of these sentences is complex? Although it was raining, we went outside. Tips: complex sentences often use subordinating conjunctions. 6th. Which sentence has a subordinate clause? If you work hard, you will succeed. Tips: words like if or because indicate complex sentences. 7. Identify the sentence that is simple. I read the book. Tips: simple sentences express one idea simply. 8. Choose the complex sentence with a dependent clause. If it rains, we will stay home. Tips: complex sentences link ideas with conjunctions. 9. Which sentence is an example of a simple sentence? The car stopped suddenly. Tips: simple sentences have no conjunctions. 10. Select the sentence that includes a subordinating conjunction. He went to school because he wanted to learn. Tips: complex sentences use conjunctions like because. 11. Identify the sentence with one independent clause. She completed her project. Tips: independent clauses can stand alone. 12. Which sentence is a complex sentence? When I called her, she was busy. Tips: complex sentences combine independent and dependent clauses. 13. Identify the sentence without any dependent clauses. The flowers bloom in spring. Tips: simple sentences have no dependent clauses. 14. Choose the sentence with a relative clause. The man who helped us is kind. Tips: relative clauses start with who, which, or that. 15th. Which sentence is a simple one? She drinks coffee every morning. Tips: simple sentences have no extra clauses. 16th. Which one has an independent clause and a dependent clause? He stayed up late because he was studying. Tips: look for independent and dependent clauses together. 17. Choose the simple sentence from below. I love to read books. Tips: simple sentences aren't linked by conjunctions. 18. Identify the complex sentence containing a conjunction. The child cried when the toy broke. Tips: complex sentences include subordinating conjunctions. 19. Which sentence is a complex sentence? She was tired because she worked all day. Tips: a complex sentence has one independent and one dependent clause. 20. Which sentence is simple? I like to read books, and I enjoy watching movies. Tips: a simple sentence has one independent clause. 21. Which sentence is a complex sentence? After he finishes his homework, he can play outside. Tips: a complex sentence has at least one dependent clause. 22. Which sentence is complex? I don't know where she went. Tips: look for an independent clause with a dependent clause. 23. Which sentence is simple? They studied all night for the test. Tips: simple sentences are short with no conjunctions. 24. Which sentence is complex? While I was eating dinner, she called me. Tips: sentences starting with dependent clauses are complex. 25. Which sentence is complex? I will visit you if I get the chance. Tips: complex sentences include conditions or reasons, dependent clauses. 26. Which sentence is simple? The sun sets behind the mountains. Tips: a simple sentence has one independent clause. 27. Which sentence is complex? After I ate lunch, I went to the gym. Tips: complex sentences with after begin with a subordinate clause. 28. Which sentence is complex? I will go to the store if I have time. Tips: if starts a dependent clause, making the sentence complex. 29. Which sentence is simple? The teacher explained the lesson clearly. Tips: a simple sentence has one independent clause. 30. Which sentence is complex? Because he was tired, he went to bed early. Tips: the because clause adds detail to the main sentence. 31. Which sentence is simple? She loves reading books and listening to music. Tips: the sentence has one subject and one verb. 32. Which sentence is complex? After he finishes the project, he will take a break. Tips: sentences starting with after have dependent clauses. 33. Which sentence is simple? The dog barked loudly. Tips: this sentence has one subject and one verb. 34. Which sentence is complex? Although I studied hard, I didn't pass the exam. Tips: although introduces a dependent clause, making it complex. 35. Which sentence is simple? He has a lot of homework to do. Tips: look for a sentence with one idea. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more English challenges. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next one.